What's going on, everyone? Have you ever thought about or have been looking at the TaoTronic BH046 noise canceling headphones? That's what we're going to be unboxing today, so go ahead and stick around right after this amazing intro. Welcome to my channel, Easy Choice Reviews, where I do the reviews to help give you an easy choice. Today we're going to be unboxing the TaoTronic BH046 2019 version of their noise canceling headphones. We did do an unboxing of the TaoTronic BH060 headphones. Go ahead and click on the link above and you can check that out. We also did a review on TaoTronics BH060 headphones. If you want to click on the link above, that'll take you right to the review. These are their 2019 version of their headphones. They do have a 2018 version. They did not change the model. They just labeled the new version as the 2019 version. So let's go ahead and get started with this unboxing. Okay, let's go ahead and get started, you guys. I will let you know, these have been sitting here for about a week. My wife has been really wanting a pair, so I got her these ones. I just so happened to look when they just announced them and they were on pre-order still. So I got those and we're going to try them out. Like I said, we did do the unboxing and the review of the BH060 ones, and those ones were amazing. So I'm hoping that these live up to the same expectations. Right off the bat, the box is quite a bit bigger from the BH060s. Through looking at the design on the website, I don't particularly like the design of these, but they do have an artistic look, and I think that my wife will like these. The case is quite a bit bigger than the 060s. I do like it though, it is a nice hard case. We've got a user guide, which is pretty nice. I don't think the BH060s came with a user guide, but you got an 18-month warranty. You've got a USB to a micro USB adapter. You've got the airplane adapter, which you do not get with the 060s, and you've got an audio cable that you can use on these. The strap is pretty nice, keeps it in place, kind of like that. It's even got a little foam separator here you can use. They're actually quite bulky from what I expected. The swivel is pretty nice. They swivel full 90 here. You've got your audio plug in there, your volume up and down, your power on. Here's your charging. And I think these are the noise canceling. Yep, there you go. The cushion is really a little bit lighter than the BH060s. Feels a little nicer, not as stiff. But we'll go ahead and see. And there you are. There's the TaoTronic BH046 noise cancelling headphones. Okay, so I went ahead and did the unboxing for you guys. You guys saw that. And I've connected these to my laptop and to my phone so I can figure out how they sound and how easy they connect. I'm not going to show you guys that side of it because I've already shown you in previous videos how to connect the TaoTronics headphones, and it's the same thing. They connect just as easy as any of the other headphones that they have, and it's the same process. Most like any Bluetooth devices nowadays. So I'm not going to bore you with those details. What I do want to say is one of the things I'm really disappointed with these, I do not like how they don't fold. Now they do rotate 90 like that there, right? But they don't fold in. The BH060 ones fold in, so I like those a lot better as far as portability and ease of travel. I'm constantly going back and forth to work and different things like that on the plane or bus rides, any kind of transportation like that for a long time. It's just easier to transport when they fold up and they're in a smaller package. You can see these here. That's a pretty big box. Takes up quite a bit of space if you're throwing it in luggage or even in a backpack to go on a plane or something like that. So that's the one biggest thing that I don't like about these. Otherwise, I really like these. First impressions, I think, like I said in the unboxing, is these are a bit softer. So if you're going to be wearing them all day, not to say that the BH060s are not comfortable, these are just slightly a little better for comfort. So I'm not sure which one I would prefer. If you're looking more for portability, I would say the BH060s. If you're looking for sound, they are fairly close to the same sound of the BH060s. The one place that I think these have a slight advantage is movies. When I'm watching movies, I like the sound of these quite a bit more than the BH060s. When you're just listening to music, the bass might be slightly higher on these, but the sound is pretty similar to the other headphones as well. But when it comes to movies, these are definitely the ones I prefer. Let me know in the comments below how you think you would use these, or what your preference is on headphones. Do you watch them more with movies, music, editing, that kind of thing? And put them in the comments below. Now I know the case is large, but like I said, it is pretty durable, so you can throw it in a backpack and it's not a big issue. They're not going to get crushed. You don't have to worry about that. I mean, it's a pretty solid case. So all in all, I'm pretty impressed with these. I still, like I said, don't like the fact that they don't fold up, but if that's not a problem for you, then these are a great set of headphones. Otherwise, I would go with the BH060s, and that's my opinion. I want to thank you guys for watching my video, and if you like them, go ahead and subscribe and click the bell down below for future notifications, and that way you can receive any future videos that I upload. I do upload every Tuesday nights. You can also follow us on Twitter at reviews_easy, as well as Instagram and Facebook at Easy Choice Reviews. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.